Hello everyone, it's Songlin here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making creme brulee. It is a custard-based dessert with a layer of caramelized sugar on top. Traditional creme brulee is flavored with vanilla only, but we are going to add a fun little twist by infusing the cream with Hojicha, which is Japanese roasted green tea. As always, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. Add the milk and heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat the mixture until you start to see bubbles around the edge. If you're using a thermometer, aim for 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Turn off the heat, add in the roasted green tea, cover with a lid, and let it steep for 10 minutes. I opened all the tea bags and dumped the tea directly into my cream mixture for faster and better infusion, but you don't have to. I will give you the pros and cons for doing this in the description box below. In a large bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar vigorously until the yolks become very pale in color and the sugar dissolves completely. Also, our cream mixture should be ready by now. Run it through a fine mesh strainer to filter out the tea leaves. Slowly add it into the bowl. I'm doing about 1/3 of a cup at a time and stir continuously. If you do this too fast, you'll end up with scrambled eggs, so be patient. Once everything is incorporated, stir in the vanilla extract. You can and probably should run this liquid through a fine mesh strainer one last time to get rid of the air bubbles, but I didn't bother. And now our custard is ready to bake. I have this specialized creme brulee set, but you can totally do it with a regular sheet tray. Line the tray with paper towels to prevent the ramekins from slipping around. Divide the custard evenly among the ramekins, and if there are any large bubbles on the surface, poke them. Carefully transfer the baking tray into the oven and pour hot water into the baking dish until it reaches about halfway up the ramekins. Bake for 45 minutes to an hour depending on the size. When the timer goes off, carefully take them out and let the custard cool to room temperature. Now we are ready for the fun part. Sprinkle on 1 teaspoon of sugar and shake the ramekin so it spreads out evenly, and then use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar to your desired level. I usually go until it's just about to burn and slightly bitter to the taste. Allow to cool a little bit and enjoy. Creme brulee is hands down my favorite dessert. The custard is smooth and creamy. The caramelized sugar adds nuttiness and a crunchy texture, plus the amazing flavor of the roasted green tea. This just tastes like heaven in a little bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!